Invest Local have given £1 million to St Mellons and Trowbridge, and that funding is shared in the community through the steering group Together for Trowbridge and St Mellons, which is made up of local people and local organisations.
Our journey began in late 2017 and we're just about moving into our second 5-year period. We have been able to support walking groups, support a group that does rubbish collection. We also have supported youngsters in the cultural arts to try and ensure that the area has as diverse and as exciting an opportunities as they possibly can.
Our group, Hope St Mellons, is also one of the groups funded by Together for Trowbridge and St Mellons. We've received funding that's supported our projects like St Mellons Pantry, like our garden, our forest school work, our nature club. But we've also had funding to develop our organisation. It's a legacy that they're leaving here in the community that will hopefully live on after the Invest Local project is finished.
Well, the funding that we've had has been incredibly helpful in a number of different ways. What we're about at St Mellons Pantry is that we have people from the area who come here every week, and for £5 that our members pay each week, they're able to select around £15 to £20 worth of food. The funding that we've had is absolutely invaluable, and without it we just couldn't do what we're doing.
Started Crafty Chats to bring a space for people in the community, people that are lonely, people that got nobody to chat to. By doing crafts as well, you actually break down a barrier because people will chat more over crafts. If they have any problems, they can openly discuss them. It's like a family.
During the gardening club, we meet once a week. We grow seeds from the seedlings, and they grow into the plants and different fruits and vegetables. It's a good group to be part of because it gets us out and about and meeting new people, and it's a friendly place to come and be able to chat and be able to talk to other people, which you may not necessarily get to do.
East Cardiff School of Performance Art is a community interest company. We started in order to address the gap in socio-economic background and availability to arts and culture and performing arts training. I grew up here and there was never any access to the things that I loved the most, so I wanted to address that. We feel as a company really lucky to have received this funding, because otherwise we've not gotten anywhere with anywhere else, because we literally can't even start the funding process.
I think the funding has brought people together, has given them a lot of confidence, and hopefully going forward some of these activities will be sustainable and there'll be a lasting benefit from the funding from Invest Local.